What's up, guys? Jordan Nevels back, and today we're gonna go over the hammer curl with a slight little twist, all right? So I call these our hammer twist. So starting, slight bend in the knees, shoulders back, chest up. Remember, lock the elbows in, okay? So I don't want them flaring out, and when you move, try not to let the elbows shift back and forth, all right? Lock them in stone. I'm just gonna bend at the elbow here. Once I get to 90 degrees, I'll stop. And now here comes the twist part. I want the pressure to be on my pinky when I twist it over, right? So I'm gonna push the pinky into the dumbbell, twist and turn up, which is gonna help contract that bicep, rotate back to neutral grip, right back down to starting position, all right? Here we go. Squeeze, flex, down. Two more. Last one. And that is how we hit the hammer curl with a little twist.